guys, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial on my shoe. This video was such a fun video to film. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys never seen this face on your screen before, make sure to push that big red subscribe button. And yeah, enjoy! The art piece that we're going to be recreating on this shoe is going to be right here. Well, let's start the video and see what you got, Bobby Ross.
Certainly glad you could join us today. I thought today maybe we'd just do a little winter scene. It's very simple. It'll make you feel good.
Ooh, I want to feel good. Feel good. Titanium white. Not pronouncing all those colors, but I got all the colors in advance.
Stretch double prime canvas. Say that with a mouthful of rocks. And I've just covered the entire canvas with a very, very thin coat of liquid white. So the canvas is wet and it's slick and it's ready to go. So
there's a deposit there, and I guess we can like put some white on there. He'd be probably using nice paints. I'm just using freaking acrylic paints. Put this on there. And I got these like brushes off of Amazon for this video, so I'm dedicated here. If you guys want these brushes, in the description down below, there'll be a link where you can buy them. Guess I'm gonna use this brush.
The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way, find a way out.
Okay, let's continue, Bobby Ross.
some fun today. Let's do a winter scene that's got a little color in it. Sometimes winter scenes can become too cold. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the cad yellow. Very, very small amount. I just want a little tiny bit of color in this. Let's go up here.
I'm gonna get some yellow.
Up in here. Let's just start. And this probably won't hardly even show.
Let's hold up, Bobby Ross. We're just gonna get some yellow. We'll put it on our professional plate.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Just gonna like use the same brush. Oh wait, no, I don't want to use the same brush. I'll just use a different one. Yeah. I'll be using this one. It just kind of looks like a smaller version of his, so he said get the tiniest bit and just get it on there. So let's go ahead and do the next part, Bobby.
Some white, some midnight black. I want to make a gray color.
Oh, a gray color.
There. Dark gray. Okay, let me wipe the old knife off here. We just wipe the knife on a paper towel.
Okay, so we're gonna make like a dark gray. So I guess he said get black or regular white acrylic paint. So we're just gonna mix the black and the white. Let's start, Bobby.
Use that same old brush, it's fine. Go into a little bit of that color. Just tap a little.
Oh, his looks lighter. Dang it, I'm not more white. He said dark gray, okay? That's deceiving. Guess I should have been smart and watched more of the video before I start making colors. Sure, let's see what Bobby's gonna do.
Just tap a little color into the bristles. All right, let's go right up in here. Then we can just begin Winter has a lot of gray skies, so that's what I want to make today. Just making little X's, little crisscross strokes, like so. Just put in a little bit of color. There, see? That's all there is to it. Start at the top and work downward. That way your paint is continually mixing with the liquid white that's on the canvas, and automatically, your sky will get lighter and lighter toward the horizon. And in the landscape, that's exactly what you're looking for.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna try doing it now. What do you got for us next?
Same old brush. It has the gray color on it. I'm going to take it now and go into some titanium white. I want to lighten the color. And pull the brush, wiggle it. Wiggle it as you pull it. That pulls the paint toward the end of the bristles. Makes the brush very sharp. See there? Good. Now with that, let's go up in here and let's make the
Hold up.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me, die. I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close into darkness fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
So I just finished the trees and the sky, so looks really good. At least I think it is. It's not like Bob Ross level, but like I think it's pretty good for like a shoe. He's working on a full canvas, so bit of a disadvantage there. I think it's ending up pretty good so far. And now I think we're about to do snow. So we're gonna put some snow on, and it's like really late. It's 1:14 a.m. So yeah, let's just finish this up.
Faded in this dark and smoky room. Way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just that I felt the heat, the moment, pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna put this whole thing out like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new around here, make sure to press subscribe and comment down below any video suggestions you guys have for me and whatever you guys want to see on this channel. And yeah, bye!